Is the cop kicking us out? It is popping at this meet. Oh my god. Uh-oh. We have arrived to the meet, my guys. We have arrived. Let's see what the vibe's talking about. What happened? Bro, facts. What's going on, bro? How you been?
Yeah, I haven't seen you in a minute, bro. What's up, my player?
What's up, dog? How you doing?
When I see your commercial, I'm like, wait a minute, that's him. Okay.
Appreciate that, man.
Yeah, that's nice.
We caught y'all on the freeway over here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that shit was getting kind of sketchy.
Yeah, bro. The fog was crazy.
I'm used to it though. I'm from over here though.
What's up, fam? How you doing, bro?
Yeah, how the bikes turned out. Really?
Dude, we all mobbed in together. That was kind of crazy.
I know.
I'd seen like 10 bikes in front of me. I was like, hey, it's a party. It's a party.
At the same time.
That is mine, of course.
You on Instagram.
Appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. What's your name?
All over Instagram.
Appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys, man.
I didn't know you were Bay Area. Me neither, dude. I thought you were LA or something. Big fan.
Now you guys know, man. What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, dog.
That's clean. I like the beat. I could never.
Yeah, she got a little wash on the way here as well. The fog washed it.
I couldn't see shit. I was
Speed demon right here, bro. This guy, every time, bro.
He just got his shit flashed.
Oh,
Hella flames.
that's why he's shooting hella flames, bro. Dude, I seen both y'all, even on the downshifts, bro. I could see the flames.
Yeah, this boy walked away. I mean, he used to walk away before too, but now it's different. That's different. I got like 10 flat tires in like 3 weeks.
Bro, 7 flat tires in 3 weeks. That means you gotta stop riding. Something is looking after you, bro.
This is the 4th tire. It was 3 tires, but I was patching it.
Oh shit,
10 flats.
The fog was crazy.
bro. I couldn't see shit.
Shit, bro.
Hey, bro. Yours is yours fully? Oh, it is fully tinted.
I had my shit open the whole time. And
Bruh.
my glasses got all I couldn't see shit. That's why I'm doing one on mine today. Yeah.
You smart, bro. My guy's smart. I always gotta rock though. You can't see me.
That's just too clean though.
Can't see me. I'm used to it, but the fog did get a little sketch. Not gonna lie. How you doing, bro?
Good, how are you?
It's been a long time, bro.
Yeah,
What's going on, fam? How you doing?
good, how are you?
Good, bro.
You came all the way by yourself or what?
Nah, we came with the crew, bro. Some of the other homies rolled together. Wait, what happened?
I was lane splitting, and they like closed the lane, and then they braked. They all like slammed brakes, and I fucking.
No way. So you hit the back flue?
I didn't hit anybody, but I fucking flipped and went forward.
Dang, bro. I'm glad you're still here, bro. That's scary.
I fractured my wrist, smushed my leg, but I was able to go to work after like 2 days.
That's why you be riding with the safeness. I realized, I was like, this is the first dude on an S1K who's riding safe.
Well, I mean,
I've never seen that in my life,
I
bro.
ride with groups like that. That's why.
Yeah, this is Max R1.
Oh yeah, you did get pulled over on this bike.
That's the one. That's the one. Don't bring back the PTSD, bro. Dude, the only 2 times I've been on R1s and cops have been on me, bro. It's crazy. They hear that cross plane and they're like, uh-oh. Man, it is popping at this meet. We got all the boys out here. Everyone is out here. It is crazy. Even the bobber's pulling up. Oh, and there's the cop right away. Oh man. Let's see how long it takes before this meet gets shut down.
Ninja and this blue are my favorite.
That's a nice color.
That color's nice.
You know what? I'm gonna bring the bike and park it right here, bruh.
Man. Bro, the lighting actually.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I need that. This Corvette is nice.
Well, what are you gonna do with their hair? I was like.
Woo. This E46 kind of clean, bro. Dang. On backs? This is the type of color that I low-key wanted on the bike, bro. It's like white with the iridescent. Now they're rolling in. And 4. Celia, crazy. More of the bike boys are pulling up. Well, low-key, everyone stopped revving, bro. Everyone kind of chilled out. Hey, the Beamer lineup. He said, let's see how long that lasts. Hey, I like that color right there. That color's dope. Beamer lineup.
Oh, what's that? LS for?
Oh, shit.
That's the real Beamer boys.
Yeah, this is the fast boy right here.
Wi-Fi? Okay. That's a motorcycle plate? Okay.
Yeah, is that a motorcycle plate?
That has to be. Look how small it is.
Yeah, it has to be. He said, let me show everyone my engine.
That's exactly why you ended up, yeah. Shit, I would too.
I would too, bro. Uh-oh. The copyrighted music. Oh, no. Hey. The biker squad is here, man. Let's go. That will be me, bro. That will be me. Yeah, they about to get me demonetized, bro. I'm gonna have T-Pain coming for me, bro. I think the G35 boy is parking over here, bro.
Oh yeah, that's what it looks like.
Right? Let's go find them. They're gonna be the reason we get kicked out, bro. Hey, the G35 boy is clean with it over here. Low-key, this feels like some Tokyo Drift underground type of shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, wait up, bro. Ooh, wow. Hey. Oh my God. Dang. Now that's a clean Supra. He knows how to draw attention. He don't pay attention, bro. Attention pays him. Let's go back to the bikes, bro. Let's see. Let's go make a checkup on the bikes. Dang, he really parked in front of you. That's crazy. Hey, I mean, it's clean, but in front of the bikes is kind of crazy. Oh, even more of the squad is here. Bro, this thing is getting packed, man. I'm surprised the cops haven't done anything. If I had a Supra that two-step like that shit, I'd be making a couple rounds myself. Yeah. The R1M that I was looking at low-key looks like this one. You see that? Like the blue and the gray? The R1M got the blue and the gray and the carbon. That's why I like the all white, bro. Like it catches your eye, bro.
Yeah.
If I was shooting flames, bro, I would get on the bike, do a couple rounds around the whole thing, shoot a couple flames, and then come back. Hey, we got more of the bike squad pulling up with no helmet. Yeah? Moto vlog on that thing?
No cap, bro.
That'd be hilarious.
Bring back some memories?
Yeah, bro.
That 1000 with those bearings?
Bro, that one's clean.
The white one?
Yeah. That thing is clean. I was expecting some pops, man.
Time to go.
Oh, man. Not the cop lighting us up. What's up, my guy?
What's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Good, bro, good. I seen you been modding the bike, bro.
Yeah, little by little.
trying.
You've done a lot of shit to us since the last time I saw it.
Yeah.
Friend! I like friend!
Is the cop kicking us out?
Where'd you park? Oh, you're right there.
I'm right there. Yeah, man. I'm locked in.
I feel like, woo!
What you mean, bro?
It's R6 in the fucking world right there.
But you know what I don't want to happen is when the cop blocks in the whole meet, bruh. They block in the whole meet and then they start like targeting people, bro. We all good though. We all got plates, right?
Yeah.
If we all got plates, it'll be cool. Hey, are they shutting it down?
I didn't hear. You hear what they said? I didn't hear shit.
Nah. They'll tell us.
We good. Hey, this is your town, bruh. This is Mac's town. Everyone checks in with Mac, bruh. It's good. Let's head out, bruh. Nice meeting y'all, man. Nice meeting y'all, man. Hit me up. Let's go ride.
Alright, my player.
Hey, we about to head out, bruh. You about to head out that way as well? Alright then, my boy. I'm about to head out. It's looking like it's that time. Let's go, man. Time for us to head out of here. As always, make sure to follow your dreams, love your own life first, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.